Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. Today I will take you to Modena, Italy. This is in the north part of the Italy. I really love this place. I've been here 2 years ago and I came back. I am so happy I came back to the same place, same hotel, RMS Des Art in Modena. It is a really great hotel with the really nice breakfast, with the really nice stuff and everything so delicious. In the morning, usually I ate just eggs because I really love eggs and some coffee and croissants. Then I went to Maserati Museum. It is a new museum opened just in the June this year, so really fresh, just 1 month since opening. So I was really lucky I found it. Just a few cars, but I really enjoy it. The Maserati, just start there. Look at this, so impressive. I really love it. Inside you will find many cars. This museum has been located on a farm, just I think in different place, a few kilometers from here where this museum is now. It is very close to new to Modena, so you can just, if you will be in Ferrari Museum, you can just go to Maserati, Pagani, and also Lamborghini, Santa Agata. So really lovely cars, the old cars, very old cars, race cars, as you can see, and they look incredible. Looks like just someone get them just from the race. And I really love the idea just with our workshop and the engines upstairs. Just you can see everything there, very beautiful. Just you can really just look inside the engine. It is incredible. Many cars, I don't know how many, but this museum looks not really big, but you can just spend more than an hour and it is really beautiful. So I really enjoy the concept cars and the newest Maserati. It is really so beautiful. Then I went to Modena, old town, the city center. These umbrellas everywhere, so cute. Of course Vespa. And I really love each tiny streets there. So cute. For the lunch break or just a dinner, you can try really great and local great food. So usually it is the tagliatelle or spaghetti you can eat, but usually you've got the tagliatelle with tomato sauce, which is really delicious, and I can recommend you that. And now it's time to discover the two symbols of the city, located just a few meters from each other and recognizes as UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1997. The Cathedral, which is the Duomo di Modena, and the Ghirlandina Tower. So great. I was really shocked how these buildings are beautiful and huge, big. I really love it. You can find them when you will enter to the Piazza Grande. The large rose window has been added in 13th centuries, and along with the two side portals, also visiting the interior and discovering the history of the cathedral just will be incredible experience for you. You will be ready I hope to climb the 200 steps of this tower. So this tower, like I said, is called Ghirlandina. So cute in my opinion, which you will enjoy the unique view of the city. For me, it was of course too late because I was in the morning on the beach, tanning and relaxing, and then I came to the old town of the Modena. And I have to say that the tower was open until 7 p.m. and I was there like 8 p.m. So unfortunately, just too late. And I hope I could come back next day, but next day I had different plans. So, it is so crazy just being everywhere in just a short time. Time to back to hotel and just start another day, of course, with the coffee, delicious food, breakfast, again some eggs, and the cornflakes with the oats. I went to gym. I would like to show you the gym in the hotel. I think you can really make a great workout with this. Yeah, I ate too much. A great workout. You've got everything there, and it is a really nice and special. Just one time I saw just one person there, and it was really quiet and peaceful in this hotel. So you can just train your muscles. You can just relax a little in sauna, which is next to gym. You have really great choice of the weights. Some weights was missing. I don't know why. Just someone took them to the room or something. Missing, it's missing. And you can also find the treadmill, which I really like. I know maybe I'm supposed to go outside and just run a little, but I don't know the area at all, so better it is stay safe in the hotel sometimes and just run on the treadmill, especially that you've got the air conditioning there, and outside I found like over 30 degrees, so quite hot, like for the running, not really good. I really love each side of the hotel. It is very nice. The windows and everything. Hotel really clean. I done my makeup really quick and I get ready for another city or town. So yeah, this is the front of the hotel. I hope that you like it, because I really like. I went to shop and I have to say that the flowers at the shop, oh my god, I just love to take all the flowers there and the plants. The food in the market, quite great choice, I have to say. This is the all seafood and the fish and everything. So not really my cup of tea, but well, just that's my cup of tea. The biscuits, Nutella everywhere, and tomato, passata, pasta, and everything. The sugar, and of course the crema, pistachio everywhere. I went to hairdresser, and this dog just loves me. Really cute. Start barking when I stop. When I lose interest about. On the next day I made another workout, my favorite Pilates and some bike. So really great feeling just when you do workout, even for the like 20 minutes or half an hour. It is just like nothing, but you feel better. Then I went to Enzo Ferrari Museum, which I found really good. I've been there last 2 years, not last year, 2 years ago I've been there, and I just came back. I saw like many cars that are in the different places, so not much change, but always something change. So you've got one Ferrari museum in Modena and another one in Maranello. So 2 tickets cost like €42, and you can find really wonderful cars everywhere. So this is the Maranello. I have no idea what is it. If you know, let me know in the comments. I will be happy to know. I have to say that Maranello, it is very quiet. There is like nothing there, just a Ferrari. You can have a test drive, and you can have a test drive with Ferrari and Lamborghini. So these cars are incredible. I'm not sure that you can drive, but you can always try. Ask maybe. Of course, a Porsche everywhere. There's the Porsche. It is like so crazy because everywhere where I go, I saw Porsche. I will make a video of the all Porsche I saw. So really, really everywhere. Now little tour through the hotel. It is really, really great. And this is a great art. I really love these colors, just the purple, green, and here we've got the restaurant, so it is really incredible. As you can see, I had a really wonderful time there, and I really found this hotel so relaxing and quiet. So I feel like there was just nobody, just me. So really, really great. The staff at the reception, it is very helpful. They helped me print tickets to the museum, so I was really lucky. I've been there for a few days. It is, I think, enough to just see everything what I want to. You've got also the computer and the printer. Now I will take you to the garden to show you the garden, because it is also very, very beautiful and large. You can also sit there. So cute. I really love it. In the morning there is no any pillows, nothing like that, but later on they put some pillows, the red pillows, on these white sofas, and everything looks really incredible. So this is my small talk and this is my voiceover to this video for today. I hope that you really like the Modena tour and the hotel tour. So I hope you will come back tomorrow for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and see you soon.